Everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to set up teams and project in Asana. So when you open first Asana, you're going to have to create your first project. But if you want to create another project, you're going to have to go to my workspace and then simply click on create project. And then here you're going to have three different options. So you have a blank project, you can use a template, or you can import a spreadsheet. So I'm going to go with the template. And basically here you can simply choose from these templates. As you can see, you have list, board, timeline, and calendar. And then here you're gonna have to enter your project name. And then here you're gonna have to choose a privacy and then simply click on create project. And basically that's all you have to do. Now, what you have to do is simply add members. You're gonna have to invite your members here by name or email. And basically that's how you can set up teams. And then you can simply start adding tasks. And then you can basically click on the task, and if you want you can basically add collaborators, or you can simply assign to someone, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.